Hi guys. Welcome back. As always, you can find this household gadgets links from the description box below. Let's go. This Sushi Rolling Kit is an innovative frame helps layer sticky rice along with traditional fillings to seaweed nori sheets. Roll the mat to mold a log, then use the cutter for a perfect sushi bite. The roll cutter creates precise sliced sushi, while end caps are perfect for soy sauce. It's great for those looking for a snack option that can be made in minutes. Make snack times extra fun with this funky orange and turquoise peanut butter spatula. When you're looking for a snack and an empty jar looks back, this spatula will work its way from the bottom to top so you can enjoy every last drop. And no need to worry about sharp edges with this slim silicone spatula. Use this sandwich cutter to make fun breakfast together with your children. Just place the filling and sauce between 2 layers of bread or dough, then cut and seal. It can be used not only for sandwiches, but also for petite pizza puffs, Caribbean meat-filled pastry, apple pie pops, and many more. The cut and seal sandwich cutter will save your time, money, and frustration. This oil sprayer can be reused, so you can buy pure oil in bulk and fill it repeatedly. It's widely used for frying steak, grilling, baking, salad, air fryer, to achieve atomized spraying of cooking oil, which is hygienic, convenient, and oil efficient. Each time you pull the trigger, the exact amount of oil will be delivered, and controlling your oil intake while enjoying your food. Say goodbye to expensive spray. This cover will make the inside of your microwave look and smell unpleasant. In the water storage, adds water before use, which helps to maintain the moisture and taste of food. This microwave splatter can block the loss of some heat and steam when heating food, thereby accelerating the heating speed of food and reducing the risk of overflow. The handle design allows for easy picking up and placing of the cover in the microwave, and no need to worry about getting hand burn. This hands-free bag holder stand is flat for easy storage and easy cleanup. Simply fasten food bag under clips and fill, allows hands-free convenience for filling up baggies with food. It's like having an extra set of hands in the kitchen. You no need to worry about spilling any foods while putting it into your storage bag. The adjustable height to stand the larger plastic bags, and increase the ease of storage of food. This cheese grater with container will saves your time and space by storing your freshly grated food. The non-slip base and thick handle provide grip and comfort. This versatile kitchen gadget will streamline your cooking by multitasking as a ginger grater, carrot shredder, Parmesan cheese grater, and much more. The grating surfaces and base are removable for easy cleaning. This magnetic spice racks are made of sturdy metal steel, rust-proof, waterproof, and stable. It comes with strong load-bearing capacity. Because of super strong magnet on the back, the magnetic shelves can be attached to the side of the fridge securely, without drilling or assembly. Free up the space of cabinet and counter to keep your kitchen organized. This patented design of meat chopper is efficient and comfortable. You can easily break up hamburger meat, turkey for tacos, and spaghetti sauce. Also, you can mash boiled egg for egg salad, smashing potato, pumpkin, and any other steamed veggies to puree. Crush tomato, strawberries, and any other soft fruit to sauce. It will be the most useful kitchen gadgets in your kitchen. This apple corer remover is stainless steel twin blades with sharp, serrated tips designed to smoothly core through any apple, pears, bell peppers, cupcakes, and more. The beautiful handle is molded to give you a super comfortable and steady grip. After coring your fruits and vegetables, the blades simply open up and dump the unwanted core for convenient disposal. This is one of the most useful tools in any kitchen. This food chopper is equipped with premium sharper hardened stainless steel blade, allows chopping ingredients evenly faster and easier. It also offers a locking function. Just press the handle and rotate it clockwise to lock the chopper for easy storage. Ideal for multi-prep food like onions, garlic, nuts, cilantro, vegetables, hard-boiled eggs, small salads, tuna, pizza toppings, and more. It's a necessary kitchen gadget for quick snacks and seasonings. This grip opens any jar lid or bottle cap effortlessly, with the lid opener mounted securely, using its sharp dual carbon steel teeth, to allowing the opener to do the work, rather than your hands and wrists. Everyone has trouble with lids sometimes, but this lid opener is especially a lifesaver for those with weak hands, arthritis, aging, and seniors. This herb storage container, fresh vegetable preservation bottle, has good watertight integrity, can maintain the humidity of the herb. Its transparent windows allow you to see what is inside, and the tall shape ensures that the vegetables are not deformed. Wash parsley, coriander, mint, chives, dill, and asparagus, and place them inside this herb saver. Add fresh water to the reservoir. Keep them fresh, and solve daily problems in the kitchen. This egg timer changes color, to indicate when the boiling eggs reach the soft, medium and hard-boiled stages. Place the egg timer in the pot with the eggs, and easily make your choice of cooked eggs. The egg timer that changes color when done, will make your perfect boiled eggs every time in style. With the accuracy markings, you will never miss that perfect level of boiled eggs. This 3-in-1 French fry cutter will easily help to make fresh cut and restaurant quality French fries in seconds. This cutter easily cuts and dices vegetables and fruits, whether you want carrot sticks for snacks, or evenly diced vegetable pieces for your favorite recipes. It comes with 3 sets of blades. It's easy to swap out the ultra-sharp, stainless steel blades. You may also slice fruits like apples into 6 pieces evenly. This strawberry stem remover will quickly and easily destem strawberries and other soft fruits and vegetables in seconds. With a push of a button and a simple twist, the whole family will have a very good time hulling as many strawberries, mini bell peppers or other soft vegetables as you'd like. It's a fantastic tool to get kids started in the kitchen. This mat is made of reinforced fiberglass and food-grade silicone. When you place the mat on a countertop, it is strongly adhesive to countertop or other surfaces, so no to worry to slide away. The round guide plate makes it easy to roll up pie dough or pizza crust. The unit of measurement is metric, and the size can be made very accurately. This way you can make the pastries more confidently. This glass washer is with double-sided bristle brush, will scarp your glass or cup in 360-degree angle cleaning. Just make sure you rotate cups clockwise on center brush. The flexible bristles, moderate hardness to ensure remove stubborn dirt from the cup. There is 3 big suction cups at the brush bottom, which the suction grip base firmly attaches to the wall, or to the bottom of sink. It's convenient to use and cleaning. This Melon baller scoop set is multifunctional unique design. It includes digging, carver knife for fruit carving, in delicate patterns on fruits. The 3-size fruit scooper with double-sided, is for removing seeds and digging flesh of fruits and vegetable. This a perfect tool for the kitchen, and when arranging fruit parties. This 3-in-1 avocado slicer is ideal for splitting, pitting, and slicing avocados safely. The pitter helps to remove the pit easily, with a simple twist. The slicer removes the fruit from the peel in 7 perfect pieces. It's not only used for avocado, but also used for kiwi fruit, dragon fruit, and many more. Enjoy all your delicious fruit with good mood. That's all for today guys. Subscribe for more gadgets, and see you on next video.